back to the channel. Today's session is some gentle Tai Chi exercises for you to follow at home. Joining me today is Janet, one of my class regulars, and she's been practicing Tai Chi about two to 3 years. What is it that you enjoy about Tai Chi?
I find it relaxing. It focuses my mind on what we're doing in the lesson. It's also very good for my balance. My balance has improved immensely, and it's just good for the soul. I enjoy it really.
Yeah, that's a really nice way of saying it. Good for the soul. It definitely has that mental well-being as well as physical well-being. Keeps us active in a gentle way, uses all our major muscles, but it still adds that nice calming effect. We'll start with a warm-up and then move on to our gentle Tai Chi exercises, so let's get started. So starting with our feet hip-width apart, nice and relaxed at the joint. Let's just turn our head nice and slowly. And back to centre. And the other way. Chin to our chest, so we're trying to stretch out any stress and tension. And then keeping the head under control, we're just going to look up to the ceiling and bringing it back to our centre. Let's do our ear to our shoulder and the other way. Shoulder rolls. So as always, listening to your own body, keeping everything relaxed and well within your comfort zone. And let's change direction. We're going to bend our knees and let's do our knocking on the door. So let's add a little transfer of weight. So it's a bit bigger than our normal knocking on the door. And just loosening the body. And bringing it back to the middle, and then hip circles. And changing direction. And then big stretch high. Breathing in, really expanding the lungs and chest, and breathing out. And again. Big breath in. Breathing out. One more time. So we're going to start with our feet slightly wider than hip width, and we can sink into that deep horse stance. So I want you to lift up through the crown as we sink the weight down into our horse stance. And we're sinking the weight into the floor, and then we're coming back up to our standing. So we've got a little bit of time to think about our posture and bringing it up. And just keeping that knee bend to wherever feels good. And we're going to add our hugging the tree arm. So bringing it round, inhale and exhale as we bend. Nice tree trunk worth of space here. And bringing it back to our standing, and again. Breathing in and breathing out. This time we're going to take our hands round to hugging the tree, and we're going to hold our horse stance here. Bring the hands round to our cross hands, so crossing at the wrists, and then straightening the arms forwards and bringing them down. So breathing in, hugging the tree. Hold it here, a little bit of a challenge for our strength. And then breathing in and breathing out. And bringing our hands to our hips, we're going to do our side though. So bending one knee and bringing it back to our centre and the other way. And let's go again. So again, just listening to your own knee, making sure it feels comfortable and safe for you. And then we're going to take it down and slide across through our horse and staying low and bringing it up. And let's go the other way. So we're going to add our single whip on that. So taking it across, making our hook, and then we're going over the head as we slide through to our side though. Scooping it round, and we can turn the waist and then turn the waist the other way. And again. And bring it up into the middle and go the other way. So, making our hook and then going over to the other side and scooping it round. So lots of focus on this moving hand. In. Yeah, nice. Just give my legs a little bit of a shake. I can feel that in my thighs then. Okay, we're going to stick with our single whip, but this time we're going to step it into our bow stance. So tapping in, we're going to heel toe into our bow stance and then scoop it round and tap it back in. And again. And step it in and go the other way, so making our hook off here. And one more time. And stepping it in. Yeah, again, just giving our legs a little shake after that. Okay, taking our feet slightly turned out, we're going to alternate our empty stance. So let's just put our hands on our hips and we're just going to tap here, empty of weight if we can. So sliding across, really solid foundation, and then we can release the foot to tap. So focus on your posture and pulling belly button through to spine, strong engaged core. And tapping here. And then shall we have a lift?
Yes.
So we're tapping here and we're going to add a lift. So lifting up and bringing it down. And taking it across, tapping here, lifting up And one more time, yeah. Yeah, very good. This time I'm going to add our white crane spreads its wings arms. So lifting up our hands, bringing the other hand down, and we'll add that lift and down. Yeah, good. And then the other way. Lifting up and down. Yeah, good. And again. And one more time. Last one. And yeah, very nice. Excellent. We're going to take our feet nice and wide and just come all the way up. Pressing palms at the top. Bring it down, drawing that line right down our midline. Let's do that again. All the way up. And bring it down. So again, nice big breath in. And if you can, taking all this time as the hands come down to breathe out, but just nice calm breathing. Focusing on those moving hands. And then we're going to hold it here. And then we're going to slide into our side bow this way. Yeah. And then the other way. And then bring it into the middle. Take it down. All the way up. So really challenging the legs by holding this horse stand over to the side, yeah, good. And over to the other side, and then bring it into the middle. And let's go again. All the way up. And all the way down. So over to me. And over to the other side. Down. And let's go again. Deep breath in. Over to you. We've got it now. Let's do one more on each side. To me. And to you. And let's step in again. Just give your legs a little shake. Go. When you're holding the horse stance and moving from side to side, really feel it in your thighs. It's very good for developing our strength, isn't it, in our legs? Okay, so this one's called bouncing the ball. We're going to slide across onto our foot and we're lifting the other foot up. We're keeping it nice and slow. So lifting up, again, engaging your core, really trying hard to control this movement. It looks very simple, but it's actually quite challenging, isn't it?
It is.
And then we're going to add as if we are bouncing a ball. So the opposite hand to our foot is coming forwards. I'm just trying to keep it nice and slow and controlled. Lots of concentration required. And again. Ooh. Let's do one more. And bring it down. Yeah. It takes an awful lot of concentration, doesn't
I
it?
think you're doing okay now, so
Yeah. But it's good. We keep improving, don't we? Because we started off very shaky, didn't we, when we first did that in class. Okay, let's finish off with a few little QiGong movements. So we'll regulate the breath. So nice big breath in and breathing out. Let's open the chest, open the heart, so open out, and bring it back. the way up to gather the chi. And bringing it down. We're going to open the hands and just look over our shoulder and hug the tree and bring it down. And again. And down. Let's regulate the breath. So breathing in. Open the chest, open the heart. Feel a nice expansion across the chest. Pushing the hands together and down. Gathering the chi. And open the hands slowly, looking over the shoulder. Holding the tree. And bring it down. And looking over the shoulder. One more time through. Open the chest, open the heart. Gathering the chi. Looking over the shoulder. And let's balance the chi. Breathing in and breathing out. And all the way up, pressing palms. And draw a line like you did before. And this time, stepping in. And bringing it down. Well done. Very good. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed that.
Good job there.
It's a good one for our balance, wasn't it?
Oh, it certainly was.
Very challenging. And there's a lot of hidden balance challenges, isn't there, in Tai Chi?
Nice.
Yeah, don't realise.
Good for the core.
Yeah, good for the core, good for the leg strength particularly, that slow movement, try and keep it controlled. Don't worry if you wobble, it's all part of the process of getting a bit stronger, isn't it?
It is.
We've all been there, we're still there. Okay, so see you again soon, bye.